Hi everybody, it's Mrs. Right again. Today I'm going to teach you how to play the cup song. What you're going to need is one plastic cup. Now, I looked through my stuff and turns out I don't own any plastic cups. So if you don't have a plastic cup, find an empty tin or a can that is empty. So if you have some beans at home, take those beans out and then wash the can, and then you have something you can use for the cup song. As you can see today, Fletch has come to visit, and he does not like things that are this shape. You can see him bobbing up and down. So to get started, we're going to do the cup song on your right side, meaning using your right hand. Hold up your right hand. It's the one that is mirroring me. So if you were looking at yourself in a mirror and you lifted up your hand, it's that one. And that will be our main hand for the cup song. Here's how the cup song goes. So that's obviously sped up. I'm gonna slow it down and do it in several steps so that you can learn it easier. So again, taking your right hand, we're going to clap twice. 1, 2, clap, clap, clap. Do it again. 1, 2, tap, tap, tap. Do it again. 1, 2, tap, tap, tap. And then taking your right hand, grab the top of your can, lift it, and then drop it back down again. Okay, so let's try it again. Clap, clap, tap, tap, tap. Clap, right hand, grab, down. Clap, clap, tap, 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 clap, and down. Great, let's try that again. Using your right hand, this is your main hand, very good. Here we go. Clap, clap, tap, 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 clap, and drop. Now the second part's a little more tricky, but it's not that bad. And it's kind of like a tongue twister. Once you get it, it's like super easy. Clap, clap, tap, 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 clap, and grab. You're gonna clap once, then turn your hand over, lift it up, tap it against your hand, tap it down, pass it off to your left hand, put your right hand down, then put this down. So the second part's gonna go like this. Clap, grab, tap, down, pass, hand, down. Now make sure you put these two in two separate spots, because I've only injured myself a couple of times putting my hand here and then putting this right down on top of my hand. So your hand should go here, and then you cross over with your cup or can or tin or whatever you have. Fletch, stop freaking out. Look at this guy go. He's like, oh, I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Oh. He's in his fight mode right now. Let's try the second part again. Clap, grab, tap, down, pass, hand, down. Okay, let's try that again. Clap, grab, tap, down, pass, hand, down. Let's do that a little bit faster. Clap, grab, tap, down, pass, and down. Clap, grab, tap, ba, 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 ba. Ugh. Okay. Clap, grab, hand, down, pass, hand, down. Let's try it with the first and second part. Clap, clap, tap, 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 clap, and down. Clap, grab, tap, down, pass, and down. Good. Let's do that a few more times at that speed. Clap, clap, tap, 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 clap, and down. Clap, grab, tap, down, pass, and down. Clap, clap, tap, 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 clap, and down. Clap, grab, tap, down, and da. It's really hard. See, this is the thing with this cup game. It's so awesome because it uses every part of your brain. So it's really hard to talk and do this all at the same time. So it's like you going out for a run, exercises your body. This is making your brain like run a marathon. And if you think this is easy, I can make it harder for you. All right, so let's try it again, and we'll do it a little bit faster. And then, I told you I was gonna make it harder for you. I'm gonna switch to the other side. Okay, so here we go. Clap, clap, tap, 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 clap, and down. Clap, grab, tap, down, and around. Do it again. Clap, clap, tap, 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 clap, and down. Clap, grab, tap, down, and around. A little faster. Clap, clap, tap, 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 clap, and down. Clap, grab, tap, and down, around. One more time, but I won't say the words because it's super hard. Here we go. Awesome. Okay, so here's the hard part. We're gonna use our left hand for most of the stuff. Doing the same thing, but most of the stuff we do with our left hand. Here we go. Clap, clap, tap, 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 clap, and grab. Clap, grab, tap, down, pass, and down. I'll do the whole thing again, but super slow. Tap, tap, pat, 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 tap, and down. Tap, grab, tap, down, pass, and down. Again. Tap, 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 clap, and down. Clap, grab, tap, down, and around. Ready to go faster? Again. Faster. Awesome! Well done. Now, it will take a bit of practice, but if you just do it little by little, it'll become a lot easier if you keep practicing. Now, how many of you thought that was easy on either side? Have you tried switching back and forth every single time? Starting with our right hand, and then after one time through, switch to your left hand. Switch. 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 So that's your challenge. See if you can do that, switching from side to side each time, and then see how fast you can get it. Let's see how fast I can get it. That's it for me today. I hope this gives you something to become obsessed with, because it is so much fun once you get it. And you can show off to all of your friends via video chat how fast you can do it, and if you can switch from side to side. If you want to send me a video of you doing your cup song, you can send it to my school address, which is at the bottom of the screen, cwright@deltasd.bc.ca. If you haven't sent me your pillow fort pictures yet, you still can. I'm still looking forward to them. I've seen some really cool ones. There was even one in a bathtub. I hope you have fun with the cup song, and I'll see you next time. Bye!